Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view sent emails on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your sent mails on your Gmails, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see a three-line icon available for us. Tap on the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of tab will appear where you can see the sent option available for us over here, just above the scheduled or just below the bills where I'm tapping. Tap on the send button, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to view all of your sent mails from your account or from your Gmail. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to see your sent email on your Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.